Hey little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw and color a ladder. Doesn't that sound fun? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black marker and get started. First, we will draw 2 vertical bars. These will be the sides of our ladder. Make sure they are straight. Now, let's draw the horizontal bars to create the steps of our ladder. Let's add 7 steps in total.
La da 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 dee.
Great job! Our ladder drawing is complete. But wait! Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color our ladder. Let's use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Green color. Blue color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Purple color. Wow! Our ladder looks so colorful and beautiful. Great job, everyone! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring. If you had fun today, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and easy drawing tutorials.
Yay!
See you next time, little artists! Keep drawing and keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.